Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is make some French vanilla coffee. I have been obsessed with this, you guys. I am not a coffee drinker at all. I actually hate coffee and don't like it at all. But I recently tried this just out of like boredom one day, and I am completely obsessed. It tastes so good. I don't have it every morning. I just have it like whenever I'm craving something like sweet and warm to start my morning off. Sometimes I'll even skip having breakfast and I'll just have this first, and then by the time I'm hungry, like it's lunchtime, I don't know, I've been obsessed with this. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So then I just let that kind of brew for about 2 minutes. The reason why I put it in this like little sifter first is because that's how I'm gonna get it to brew. If you don't put it in here and you just mix it with the water, it's not like instant coffee, it won't dissolve. And then this right here is the best part. This is the Silk Almond Vanilla Coffee Creamer. This is really what makes it magical. So good. I like mine to be like this light golden color. Oh, perfect. Don't mind my nails, you guys. We will talk about that. And look how amazing that looks, you guys. It tastes incredible. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried this, definitely try it. French vanilla coffee with almond vanilla creamer, and that's it. So good. So, like I said, I'm not even a coffee drinker, but this is just so good. It's kind of just like a vanilla latte. It's good. For today's video, I figured I'm gonna record my little self-care routine during quarantine, because I feel like during this time, it's really easy to kind of let yourself go, and that just puts us in a bad mood, doesn't it? So for me, at least, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this past week has been a little difficult for me. Not difficult, I've actually had a really like relaxing week, but like I haven't been feeling my best or like been feeling myself. I've been feeling kind of unmotivated, and I haven't really done shit this week or the week that just passed. Today's Monday. Actually, I did do, that's a lie, I did do a lot of behind the scenes stuff that I can't really share with you guys, but yeah, I did get a lot of like behind the scenes stuff accomplished, which was good. I'm proud of that. But Sugar, what are you doing? He's literally licking the, Sugar baby, no. He's literally licking the dining table. Anyways, I did get a lot of behind the scenes stuff done, but like other than that, I feel like I didn't accomplish much this week other than relaxing, which is good, but I just felt really lazy and unmotivated, and I hate when I feel like that. And then I looked in the mirror and I was like, well, it's no wonder you feel lazy and unmotivated, Amy. You have no tan on, your hair isn't even done, my nails look horrible. You know what I mean? Like, it's the saying where when you look good, you feel good. And right now, I do not look my best. I feel like I haven't been taking care of myself. I've been taking really good care of my skin this week, but like I have just let my nails get so bad. My hair needs to be washed. I have no tan on. It's just, yeah. So yeah, at least for me, I feel good about myself, and I just feel good in general. And I'm just generally a more like happy, confident, productive person when I'm taking care of my self and just doing like good self-care pampering practices. And like I said, my nails look so bad right now. Like, I don't know if the camera's gonna focus. I don't know if it's focusing, but it looks so bad. I think it's definitely been like over 3 weeks since I've done them. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Like I said, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've been feeling really unmotivated, and that goes for right now. Like right now, I feel really lazy and unmotivated, and I don't even want to do my nails. I don't even want to put on tan. I just want to lay on the couch and just be super lazy. Like, I'm keeping it real with you guys. That's just how I feel. But I know that I'm going to keep feeling like that if I don't push myself to take care of myself. Because I know once I do my nails, I get that tan on, I do my hair, I'm gonna feel like a hot girl again, okay? And then I'm not gonna feel lazy and unmotivated. So I am pushing myself to, you know, do those things today, because I know it will feel good afterwards, even though I'm kind of lazy right now. This little guy took my chair. I was literally gonna sit there, and then he sat there, okay? Okay, so this is how bad my nails look, you guys. I think it's focusing now. Yeah, like look at how bad they look. Oh my god, they're horrible. So I think what I'm gonna do is just trim down all my nails and get them super short, because I feel like they're less likely to break like that. Okay, so it looks funny because these nails don't have any gel, but I just put on these little acetone things that I got, little pads that I got from Amazon, and you just put your finger in it, wait like, I don't know how long, like 5 minutes or so, I don't even know.
But I have heard you talk about it, which is why I'm taking it.
So I just filed the nails that didn't have the remover pads on while I was waiting, and then you can see now that the gel just like scrapes right off because the acetone loosens it up. So you're technically supposed to soak your hands in some water so that you can soften up your cuticles, but I've already cut my cuticles throughout the week. I've been like trimming them, so I'm just gonna do a quick little trim of my cuticles. So for nail polish, I am going to be using my signature, which I always get questions on what my signature nail polish is, and it is the OPI Love is in the Bear. I literally use this like all the time. This is 99% of the time what I am always wearing. I got mine on Walmart.ca online. What I love about this color is it's so natural that like it's very easy to paint on, and it also looks good for a long time. Like when I do get my nails done at the salon, I love this color because even when I need a fill, you can't really tell because it is so close to my natural nail color, you know what I mean? And then I'm gonna set my UV light to 99 seconds and let that sit in there. So for top coat, I'm using this one that I got off of Amazon. Okay, nails are done. They are not perfect, but I feel like they look pretty decent, at least from far away, okay? We don't need to go up close. Okay, so now I am going to shave my face. You guys have seen me do this a ton of times, but I was watching some YouTube videos and I did notice that some people use a face oil before they shave their face and it just glides easier and your skin ends up less irritated. So I decided I'm gonna try that out for the first time today. This is literally the only face oil that I have right now. So I'm just gonna use this one. You can just use anything. I just go in a downwards motion. Oh yeah, I really like the oil. It actually makes it glide really nicely. The oil seriously helps so much. Like I feel like it really helps everything to glide, and you get just like a better shave, and my skin doesn't feel irritated at all. Even though before it didn't feel super irritated, but it always would feel a little bit irritated. Also, I always get the question if this is gonna make your hair grow back thicker, and it will not. I have been shaving my face for literally like 3 years now, and as you can see, my hair is still the same. It grows back the exact same. Just remember, you guys, I have actually had my hairline lasered, so removing the hair here is nothing new for me. And now I have a clean hairline. It's probably not perfect because I really cannot see that well. I usually get it professionally done and they shave it and laser it, and yeah, so my brows don't really need too much trimming, but what I'm gonna do is brush them upwards, and I will just trim whatever is sticking up too much. They don't really need too much trimming though. Alright, so my face is shaved. I'm feeling already so much better just by having my nails done, my face shaved. So I'm gonna go ahead, hop in the shower, and wash my hair and exfoliate my entire body. Even though I don't have any tan to take off, I just want to take off any dead skin and make sure my skin is exfoliated and ready for tan. Okay, so I already feel so good. I just got out of the shower. Now I'm just gonna clean my ears. I know they say you're not supposed to use Q-tips, but I just try not to like push them in. I just clean like, you know, on the outside. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit extra moisturizer. I'm not gonna put serums, anything like that, because I am going to be tanning my face. So I just want plain old moisturizer on my face, and I put a little bit extra just so that my face is super hydrated when I put my tan on. Also, I completely forgot to whiten my teeth while I was in the shower. I like to put these whitening strips in while I'm taking a shower because it's just easier that way. But I forgot, so I'm gonna do it now. I only like to leave mine on for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then that way I don't get sensitive. My teeth don't get sensitive. And make sure you air dry your teeth first. This helps it stick better so your teeth are not wet. Now I am going to tan. So I actually have a full tanning routine up on my channel. So if you guys want to see that, then definitely check out my full tanning routine. I just did one literally like 2 months ago. And voila, my tan is on. So I actually have the window open if you guys hear that. I just need some fresh air in here so that my tan doesn't get too hot and too sticky. It's May right now, so the heat is not on, but the AC is also not on. So I don't want to get like all hot and sticky. Also, just ignore my neck. I don't know why my tan is going on patchy for some reason right now. I think it could be because I shaved my neck, and then sometimes it can react weird. Usually I don't shave my neck on the same day that I tan. But I also wanted to give a quick shout out to this guy. I also did this in the shower. I shaved my feet. This is major key because it makes your feet super, super smooth. And then what I'm gonna do now is literally put on, like I'm not even joking, like put on like 1,000,000 pounds of this lotion, and then put some socks on my feet and just let my feet soak in the lotion. Usually I actually use the cream version of this for that, but anyways, so my tan is on and I'm feeling good. Now I just want to let my hair air dry. I'm thinking, sorry if, yeah, this is probably like really exposed right now. I'm just trying not to tie my rope too tight because you want to let like the tan breathe. But I'm thinking of filming a hair care routine soon, so stay tuned for that. But I have actually really been liking this. I tried this for the first time like 4 or 5 days ago when I washed my hair, and my hair was really soft. Like my hair literally was so soft for days afterwards. So I'm gonna use this again today. And the way that I use it is I literally just spray it all over, and then also put some hair oil in, mainly on the ends. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the birds are literally just like chirping, and it's such a nice calming sound. I love it. I already feel 1,000,000 times better, you guys, with just having my tan on. Like transformed. I'm a whole new girl. I can't explain it. Like having a tan on is the same as like for me as like having makeup on. Like it just makes me feel like good, you know. So I think this is pretty much it for my self-care. So I think that's pretty much it for my self-care today. I'm really trying not to flash you guys here. Yeah, I feel literally 1,000,000 times better than I did when I started like this morning. Like, oh my god, I really was feeling super lazy, super unmotivated. I still have a little bit of anxiety. I don't know, I feel like my anxiety has been like more this week. You guys might be able to tell I'm a little bit off in this video for like no specific reason, just a little bit anxious. And like I said, when you look good, you feel good. And all week I just had like my raggedy nails, unwashed hair, no tan, didn't do my makeup at all this week, and just felt like, ugh, you know what I mean? But now that I've like taken care of my nails, my hair is freshly washed, I'll straighten it tomorrow. I got my tan on, my skin shaved, like I just feel good. So yeah, I already feel 1,000,000 times better. But that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I just thought I would take you along with me. Like I was gonna do this anyways today because like I said, I was really needing it, so I figured why not just make a vlog out of it and share what I'm doing for my self-care. Also, if I'm not taking a shower and tanning, like if I was already tan or if I just wasn't tanning for that week, whatever, a huge part of my self-care and just pamper routine is bubble baths. Like that just makes me feel so good throughout the week. It's so relaxing. it's like the perfect time for me to just zone out. I love bubble baths, I'm obsessed. So that's like the one thing I didn't do today, but that's obviously because I'm letting my tan bake. But yeah, the next thing I'm gonna do for the rest of the day is watch Netflix because yeah, your girl needs to just relax, chill. I feel like there's a lot of pressure during this time to be super productive, but you don't need to be super productive. Like I said, like just taking care of yourself and like doing your skincare, doing your nails, watching Netflix, just that alone is self-care and is productive. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch Netflix for the rest of the day, make some homemade pizza in the oven, try not to flash you guys again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little self-care routine vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.